It's Friday. That means it's time for how to get a grade 3 in 3 minutes. This is part of my GCSE series, the best GCSE series this year, where I work all the way up from how to get grade 1 in 1 minute to a grade 9 in 9 minutes. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Make sure you leave a like to show me that you like these videos, and so you're ready for next week, which is the first video where we talk about how to actually pass. Now, with that being said, today is the longest video you'll see about how to fail your GCSEs. I'm going to teach you how to get a grade 3. I've done how to get grade 1, how to get grade 2. So a grade 3, for a grade 3, you want about 40% in your GCSEs. So 40%. Now, in some subjects, 50% will just about get you a 3. But to play it safe, if you're sitting around 40%, maybe 45%, that will be a grade 3. Now, I'm going to get straight into this then with the first point, and that is classwork. If you want a grade 1, you do need to mess about as much as possible. Grade 2 is kind of like no focus in class. Before grade 3, this is harder than getting a grade 1 because you do need to actually know it a little bit. Now, my advice would be focus in class. So listen in class, but listen disengaged, okay? Do the minimum possible work in class that you can, and just don't really listen too much. Just know a bit. You don't have to cause loads of distractions, but just kind of sit there in class talking a bit. You know what I'm talking about, where you're just not really paying attention, but you're also not causing a lot of distractions. Next point then is you've got to cram your homework. So treat homework just like a chore. Do it last minute. Copy other people's where possible. Interact, but once again, you're not really invested in your subject at all. So definitely cram your homework, and just that's all you're doing in terms of that. That brings me to the next point, which is don't revise, okay? Literally don't revise, and I'm sure you can get 3. Don't think about anything you've studied in the past. So slowly, because you're not repeating it and going over it again, it's going to go out of your head. Next point then is don't write enough. Once again, just like grade 2, you don't really want to write that much, especially for all the essays, English, history. You can attempt a lot of the questions if you want, but don't write that much. So we're talking for the 40-mark English questions, maybe, a page and a half maximum, nothing close to 2, 3, 4 pages. Now, try not to attempt too much, especially in subjects like maths and science. Because you're not 40%, you might as well just not attempt the harder ones. Whenever you see a hard question that you think you can't do it, just leave it there and you'll be fine getting the 3. And don't use extra time, don't use exam time well. That's my final point. In the exam, once again, use it as kind of time to chill. Don't really worry about the time. The time shouldn't play in. Just start from the beginning, work your way through to the end. You should be fine. Hopefully you either run out of time at the end or you've just finished with time to spare. That's how to get a grade 3. It's a little bit harder. Join me next week for how to get grade 4, the first video where I actually teach you how to pass. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.